how much AI paid me just for this side hustle. And you know what? I did not stress myself. I used free AI tools to perform this task, and I was paid. Some of us don't know that AI is now paying. That's why I've brought it here, so we all can earn together. AI is now paying massively this year, but a lot of us don't know. You know one thing about me? If it's not legit, I don't bring it here. So sit back, you're in the right place. Before we continue, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Success. I teach you how you can start making money online from the comfort of your home. You don't need to stress yourself. It's just easy money making tips, legit ones. So if that interests you, smash the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our video. So let's proceed. First of all, go to any browser of your choice, either Opera Mini, Google Chrome. So let's go.
Search for Fiverr. Then you click on this first one. So let's search social media design services. Once it loads, you will now see how much people are being paid. First of all, before we proceed, we need to sign up on this platform. So click on the 3 dots at the top left side of your screen. Then if you don't have accounts here, you click on join Fiverr. But if you have an account, you click on sign in. So we'll click on join Fiverr so we can access this side hustle. Then you click on continue with Google. You can see for yourself how much people are making from just doing social media design services using free AI tools. You can use free AI tools, which I'll be showing you today. Some people are making from $10, some from $20. Some people save as high as $250 just to design flyer content for brands. Someone is making huge amount of money. So sit back, I will show you how you can earn with this side hustle. AI is doing the job now. Let's go. First of all, you need your ChatGPT. Then
Click on
tell
it.
ChatGPT, help me to design a business flyer for a local coffee shop. Make it outstanding for social media content. Make it outstanding and appealing for social media content. So let's see what ChatGPT will generate for us. Wow, see what ChatGPT created for us. Then you can easily download this. Image has been saved to your gallery. Then the way we did this, we just used our phone and ChatGPT. This is one side hustle that people don't know about. Brands are paying just for you to design social media content for them. So what you do now, go to Fiverr and create your account and set your price so you can start earning. Brands will hire you. If you found this video helpful, do well to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share.